Hello YouTube, welcome back to Tech Gcus. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Windows audio recording issue. So probably you may trying to record your voice using Windows voice recorder, or you may be using some Skype games or something like that, and your voice is not audible for the other person. If that is the case, then there's a fix for that. So let's see how we can fix it. It's so simple, and this is a quick tutorial. So first you need to do is just go to the search section and search for sound. And once you search for the sound, one of the result will be change system sounds. Click on that. And in this sound panel, you can go to recording section. And in recording section, you can find your microphone there. If you are not able to find your microphone there, then that means your microphone is not connected properly, or you haven't installed the driver for the microphone. In my case, you can find a cable output here as my voice input, but in your case you won't find that. You click on the microphone that is active right now, and then you can go to property sections, and in property section you can go to levels. Here is the magic happens. Mostly this slider, that is microphone boost slider, will be at the bottom of this slider section, and you need to just take it up to this 20 dB. Up to this 20 dB you can try different values, but 20 dB works for most of the people, so you can just try that. And you can just increase this microphone slider to 90, but I won't advise you to keep it on 100 because it will capture all the sound from the surroundings, and a lot of them were noise. So I just advise you to keep it at 90. That is the perfect value for recording and all. So that is once that is done, you can click on apply and click on OK. But I'm not going to change any of the settings because right now I'm recording using this microphone. So yeah, once that is done, you can click apply and click on OK, and that's it. I hope this video helped you. If so, please comment below if you're having some other trouble, and like this video, subscribe to this channel. See you soon in another video.
You feel fucking